My name is Carla Fernandes. I'm a cognitive linguist and I work at the FCSH since actually now 12 years. I'm doing research in cognitive linguistics, gender studies and performing arts for a long time. And with this ERC black box project, the idea is that we are wanting to make visible what is normally not visible, so what is behind the minds and the bodies of the choreographers working in collaboration with contemporary dancers. The title of the project, so Black Box Arts and Cognition, is obviously an appeal to the metaphor for both the brain, what's inside the brain that we don't yet know, also specifically the studios where choreographers, contemporary ones, work for rehearsal, which are called black boxes. And what we aim to do is to visualize through different technologies, and we aim at transmitting to the audiences, to the general public, how the embodied knowledge that is obviously difficult to transmit via other bodies, how it is useful to other areas where the body is not so much used. In my lab I have 9 different researchers, from neuroscience to computer vision, performance studies and gesture studies analysis, so cognitive linguistics. Of course, with this grant, this is a starting grant, but we've employed nine different researchers on a permanent basis, full-time, during 5 years. And we have used technologies ranging from animated infographics to document 2D videos. We've used biomedical sensors in the bodies of the choreographers, the filming with 300 degrees cameras, where we filmed a ballet piece from the National Portuguese Ballet Company. So we are using a lot of different inputs, from common 2D video to stereoscopic photography, high-speed photography and 3D depth sensors, to incorporate all these in an installation in the Unity environment, so to be watched, attended with a Vive headset in your head, which allows also a very immersive way of understanding how this choreographer works.
Hi, my name is Francisco Freire and I'm the PI of the project CAPSARA, Critical Approaches to Politics, Social Activism and Islamic Militancy in the Western Saharan region. The scientific team we have put together, based here in Lisbon, as researchers from the Sahara, from Mauritania and from Morocco, and also Europeans from France, Spain and Portugal, collaborations with Germany and with the US. As we all know, the Western Saharan region is currently divided between different state authorities. My formation in anthropology and in history has given me another idea centered on a profound analysis of the Hassanophone population that cover all this region, nonetheless its political limits. The project hopes to answer to the ambitions and problems of these populations and to explain the way in which they differently interact with the different state actors. Aspects such as Islam, tribal formation and political culture will be the center of the project. This funding and the research that we have been conducting has also opened a wide range of scientific networking with other notably European institutions, and this is an important aspect of the project. It's to put together different academic centers from Europe who work more or less on the same subjects. For the future, we are also preparing other submissions to EU-funded programs in cooperation with other European research centers.
Hi everybody, my name is Maria de Lourdes Rosa. I'm a teacher at the Faculty of Social Sciences and Humanities of Nova University. I'm a teacher of the History Department and a researcher of the Medieval Studies Institute. I'm now having this grant, consolidated grant, with the project Vinculum. entailing perpetuity. Family power identity, the social agency of a corporate body, Southern Europe, 14th to 17th centuries. Now the project has just begun in the 1st June. We have started our researches, consolidating the team. The first part of the team will have, in its full extension, we'll have 10 persons. Now we just have 5 persons, and we are doing first arrangements on research guidelines and archival work and so on. So it's quite early to speak about the outputs, but I can speak about our expectations, our hopes. The idea is to do an extensive research on this central aspect of the Portuguese pre-modern society, which is entailment. Portugal will be taken as a case study that will be afterwards extended to other parts of Southern Europe. This is very important for these pre-modern societies of Southern Europe. It was an historical institution that has become central for the structuration of elites, but not only this, and as have a great expression in not only in continental Portugal but also in the Atlantic Islands and in Brazil. So the idea is to take this case as an example for the study of structuration of societies in Southern Europe during pre-modern times.